Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Learn Planning. Today we are going to see that how to put the values from multiple cell to a single cell. For example, sometimes you have to merge the cell while putting the name. For example, you can see over here the first name is in column B and the last name is in column C. If we are required to merge both of them and put the name in the single cell, so this is what we are going to do through the formula concatenate. So let's start. For example, if I want to put a column over here, I will simply select and insert. Now I would like to put the name Muhammad Anwar in this particular cell. For that I would put is equal to sign first, then I will write concatenate, then bracket start, then I will give the value of the first cell, comma, and then the value of second cell and bracket close and enter. Now you can see, let me white the cell, Muhammad Anwar has been merged in this column. But if in case, whenever we have to write the name, we have some space in between first name and second name. For that, we'll just start it again. After writing the name, we just select it, first value, comma, inverted comma start, space, inverted comma or question sign close, comma, and second value and bracket close. So you can see we have just merged these two values while having a space in this, and if we are going to drag it down, you could have seen it has been done perfectly. So if I just want to merge the values of these cells, cell 1, cell 2 and these within a cell, for that I have an option. For that I will put is equal to sign, write concatenate, and then bracket start. Then I will choose first cell, comma, for space I will start inverted comma or question sign. I will give a space to put the space between first and second name. Then I will, after space, close inverted comma or put a question sign, then comma, then I will give the value of second column, comma. Now if I want to have this value after that, I will simply select this value. But before that I want to put, if in case I would want to put commas, I want to separate them with the help of commas, then what I will do, I will here again put question sign, comma, give a space so that next value started with the space, then inverted commas close, comma, the value of next cell, comma, again before giving next sign I have to give a comma and a space. For that I will put inverted commas, then I will put comma, a space, inverted commas close, comma, put my next figure, comma, again question sign start, comma, one space, question sign close, comma, I will give the last value, bracket close and enter. Now to see it, I just let's scroll the screen. You can see that Muhammad Anwar, the space between the first name and second name, then comma, then space, then the city, then comma, one space, then zone, then again comma, then space, and I have merged all the cells within the one cell. So if I want to drag it down, I could have done it for remaining values, and you can check them that they are perfectly done. This is very useful, if you are doing work on larger number of where you are handling the data of thousands of employees or hundreds of the employees. So merging the values or merging the value within a single column sometimes create an issue. So it could have been done with a simple formula. The name of the formula is concatenate. So let's color up our cell like we are having our the cells. So let me give it a color to make it more beautiful. I could have dragged it upward as well to make the formula effect on the upper cell. Here you go. So if we want to keep this cell like this, we could have, and if I want just to keep the full name and I just don't want these first name and second name, I just like name in this cell. And simply select this column, right click on it, and delete. But again, if you want to make it perfect, we have to play another way around. Because this cell contains the formula from the first two cells, so that's why it gives the error. Now I just simply select these names, put Ctrl C, then in the first cell I put right click, select paste special, then I select values. Now if I am going to delete the first two column, it's not going to affect the remaining values. Again, the last cell has been affected because we have impact on that as well. So here we'll do it again the way we did. We'll select the values, select Ctrl C, then come on the first cell, right click over there, select paste special, and then select values. Now deleting the first two columns will not going to affect our values. So it was all for today. Thank you much for your time.